Everybody, welcome back. Got a teeny tiny haul that I got. You see that everything's cleaned up, thank goodness. My upstairs is farmhouse. Well, I try to be farmhouse. I've added things here and there to make it look kind of like that. So I needed something in the kitchen. Like right now over the window I have a lace valance. It's pretty, but I wanted the checkered. And in my dining room is the same thing. It has lace and it's like a tan cream color. And I wanted it the farmhouse. So I ordered from Amazon the valance, this part right here. Here it is. And then I ordered the gingham curtain 2-pack. I'm hoping I got the 84 length because I want it longer, and so that should be fine. So what I'm going to do is pause this video and we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after we're done, after I put them up. So I will be back. Don't mind the mess. I did dishes, so they're still sitting here. My dishwasher is kind of broke, so I'm having to do dishes now, so they are sitting here. But we're gonna take that curtain down and put up the new one. I'm gonna take my banner. I have to take my banner down, and we are going to put up this. Should make it a lot lighter in here too, so we will do that and see how that goes, see how it looks, and then we will do the dining room. So I will be right back in a few minutes. Here's this one. I probably should have bought 2 of them, so I may end up buying another one so the top will look scrunchy. But a lot more light is coming in. As you can see, my windows are filthy dirty. Hopefully you can't see those. So the next thing I have to do is clean these windows. But it looks good. I mean, it looks good for now. And I will hang up my banner again. And then we'll go do the dining room. Okay, we're in the dining room. Here are these curtains. They're kind of ugly, but not really, but yeah. And they're lacy, and these are gonna be way better. These ones are gonna be way better. So I'm gonna take that curtain down and I'll be back when I put them up. Okay. Here's the finished, that's up there. And then let me show you the bottom, because they are way long. I'm going to have to pin them up down there until I can get my hubby to move that up higher. Then this will make this room look way big. So I'm gonna see if he can move my rods higher. And this has it has a middle one right there. And I'm gonna see if we can get it up closer to the ceiling there, and then I won't have to, I'm not gonna cut any of it. I'm just gonna kind of tack it up, but I'm gonna see if he can move these up for me. He should be able to. It shouldn't take him very long. So I think that will look awesome, make it look bigger in this dining room, because it's not real big to begin with. So there's my curtains, guys. And when he can get to that, I don't know if it'll be this weekend or not, but if he does, I will, if I haven't posted this video yet, I'll add a picture at the end. And there you go. There's my farmhouse. It looks good, and it looks good in here now. And for the living room, I just accented with white and my gingham pillows for the couch and stuff. And I'd like to find this color throw blanket because I have a red one, but I want a black one that I can use this one all the time and then use the red one at Christmas time or whatever. So there we have it. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.